Hello, this is lot 580. It's a Husqvarna 445 chainsaw with a ProForest Husqvarna helmet and face shield. There's a nut missing that holds the tension on the bar. Other than that, the chainsaw looks really nice shape, looks clean as can be. And there's no chain for it right now. You just have to get yourself a fresh chain, but there is a chain guard bar missing the nut that when you put that cover on holds it, clamps it in place. So I'll start it so you can hear it. Missing the nut that goes right there. This one has a compression release. Run strong.